Please welcome contestant number 2. Lalagay ko kasi. And the last but not the least, contestant number 3. Not the least. Hindi ko alam magpakilala na. Neta, tang. Kalala ako, nagulaan. Ako po si Martigel. Ako si Mark Regalio ang contestant number 2. My name is Ana Miguel G. Angeles. I'm 8 years old. I live in Pandakaki, Mexico, Pampanga. I want to be teacher star. My motto wala naman kabayo. Contestant number 3. My name is Sergio Lewis. I am 9 years old. I live in Pandakaki, Mexico, Pampanga. I want to be a teacher someday. Oh, my motto for the day, ahanin mo ang ipit kung wala naman buhok.
Go.
Oh, my contestant number 1. Ayan! Talent! Talent! Ayan! Para lang sa'yo, ako luhan ang pag-ibig. Ay, matatali tayo. Magbabago sa bawat sandali. Dahil napiling ka, araw na gabi. I love you. Mahal na mahal kita. Gaya ng pag-ibig ko. Pailap o saya. Kasama mo. Ako ang iyong-iyong. Wala nang panghalit. Mananapili ka sa puso ko. O, bangbakan natin ang contestant number 1, si Mark Miguel Angeles. O, contestant number 2, si Kahela Angeles. My channel for today is Any the city of the past, and I live dito ka lang. And I hope that tonight, no answer on the telephone. But the secret still my own, and the secret still I'm own. Alone till now, I only stood by on my own. I never really cared until I met you. And now, the secret to the bone. How do I get you alone? How do I get you alone? Contestant number 2, Michael J.C. Gomez! Ay, Tria pala. Oh. What's your talent? My talent is singing. What is the title of your song? Go, sing that! I was ang bukas ay di natin siho at manalig laging sana tayo. Ang Diyos ang pag-asa ng mundo, pag-ibig sa ating kapatid ko, at laging magmahalan tayo. Yang lusnas at ligaya.
And the winner.
Sean.
Sean.
Michael Joyce Gomez, Micaela Angeles, and Mark Miguel Angeles. And the most Rapa is Michael Joyce Gomez. And the most